everyone. In today's video, we will fix the MacBook Air M4 not detecting the external display. So here is how you can easily fix the problem. So the step one is to verify the connection. Ensure the cable that you are using like USB-C, HDMI, Thunderbolt is securely plugged into the both MacBook and the display. Check for damage to cable, adapter or ports. Try different cable or adapter if available. Also, if you are using a USB-C hub, here you will see because there is a no port are available on the MacBook to connect the external display. Now you can also check the configuration of the USB-C hub because some hubs are not compatible with your MacBooks. Now you can simply try it or you can open its official website to verify. Okay, if all cables, all adapters and the hub is fine, now you can simply move to the next step is to manually detect the display. So to detect, you can simply open the settings. In the settings, you can simply go to display settings. Here you can simply hold the option key to detect the display. Okay, so once you long press the option key, here you will see in a down here the option to detect the display button. You can simply tap on it to detect the display. Okay, then click force detection if display appears and adjust resolution arrangement like this. Right now my display is detected, so here you can simply change its configurations. The next step will disable the low power mode. So plug in MacBook to ensure it's enough power, as low power mode may limit the external display support. So to check, you can simply go to your battery settings. Here you will see the low power mode is turns on battery. So now you can set it to never and now restart to check it's working or not. Okay, so the next step is to restart your device. So restart your Apple device that can power cycle the external display and also fix the software glitches problem. So to restart, you can simply firstly click on the Apple logo that appear on the left side of your MacBook. Now here click on restart and now click on restart to restart your device. So if still you are facing the issue, so there may be another issue. In that case, you can simply try to boot in safe mode. So to boot in safe mode, you can long press the Touch ID button. Here you will see located to shut down your MacBook, or you can manually shut down it by simple pressing wait the Apple logo and where you can shut down option available. Right now my MacBook is already shut down by simple long pressing the Touch ID button. Then after again long press this Touch ID button means the power button to turn it into a boot window. So keep holding the Touch ID button until the boot window will be appear. Wait, it's loading. Yes, now the boot window will be appear. Here you will see two options. First one is your MacOS disk SD and second one is the option. So don't click on option, simple click on your MacOS HD and now long press the shift key. Okay, once you long press the shift key, here you will find a option to continue in safe mode. See on my screen, continue in safe mode will be appear by holding the shift key. Now tap on the safe mode button. Now it will turn on your MacBook Air M4 into a safe mode. And now here you can simply try to verify. Okay, so if still you are facing same issue, so it means there may be a hardware problem. Now you can simply contact the customer support for further assistance. Okay, here you will see my safe window will be appear here. Now you can unlock it by simple entering your password and now try to verify. Okay, goodbye.